Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Needle Say More. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a jeans button. To start, you're going to need a little black disc like this that will normally come with the jeans button, the jeans button front, the stud for the back, a hammer, and then something to protect your work surface like a cutting mat. So to line up the buttonhole, I'm going to line up the placket, make sure I'm happy with where it all is, and then I'm going to put a pin through where I want the button to be, so I know I want it there. You can use a tool to make a hole in the fabric to put the stud through at the back, but the trouble with these is they can make a bigger hole and it can tear the fabric and push through. So I normally just like to push it through with my nails like this. Do you see how the tip's just coming through there? And then just push it down around it, and then I know it's really tight. There we go, so that wasn't too difficult. And I know it's really tight to that hole, it's not going to push through. Then the front has got a little hole at the back, and then the little stud's just going to go in there. You're going to place it face down on the board, so it's going to go the button front on this little disc. The stud's going to go in this hole at the back, and then you're just going to need to tap it a couple of times with your hammer. There we go. You'll know it's in because it feels nice and secure. It's slightly in more that side than this side, so I'm just going to even it out. Perfect, so that's all in, so you can see it's a really secure join. And then if I put it back through the buttonhole, yeah, that's exactly where I wanted it to be.